Welcome. In front of me is a Realme 13 Pro Plus, and today I will show you how we can record screen on this phone. So to get started, swipe down from the top of your screen, and then in this area right here, I'm going to swipe down again and find your screen recorder. It might be on one of the two pages that we have by default. Now for me it is on the second page, and I am realizing right now that it's in a completely wrong language, but bear with me. So it's going to be this icon. When you click on it, I'm going to allow access to it and agree to whatever it pops up with. Now whatever you'll do basically from now on will be recorded by the device. So I'm just gonna fiddle around, maybe open up something like a browser. From there, we can click on this overlay right here and click on the red square. This will automatically save the screen recorder to your gallery application, which is this one right over here. And you can see under the first tab, Photos one, you will have your screen recorder right at the front if you have just captured it, but later on it will be much easier for you to find this the screen recording by going into your albums, and in here you'll find an album called Screenshots. You can see it right here, and that's the screen recording. So with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.